Right then, Lauren, well, you scored 63 last time, which was achingly close to a grade C, and was really, really encouraging. So let's see if you manage to build on that this time round. I'm marking together. Okay, you've missed one out there. You've missed out 5. Okay, so you're going to lose a mark there. So 3, 3, 1, 6. Good. 32 and 66. Excellent. 5, 10, 7, 8, 2. Great. So total for the page 3, 6, 8, 10, 17. That's really good. Lovely. Make sure you use a ruler in the exam though. Right, 6 is not accurate enough. You're looking there for 5 point something. Okay, you're looking for 5.6, 5.7, 5.5 even, but 6 is a long way off. So you're going to lose that mark. That's wrong, that's right. Perpendicular to DC, here's the line DC. Perpendicular means at right angles too. So AE is the line that you're looking for there. That's good, well done. 2, 3, 7 for the page. Good, good, excellent, excellent, excellent. Full marks for the page. Good go. Yep. 6, 8. No. You're not multiplying. Okay, it will only be a cube if you're doing A times A times A. You're just adding here. So you've got a 5A, and you're adding 1A, so it's 6A, and then you're adding 3A. So what we're looking for there is 9A. 23 is correct. Good. 9 for the page. 1404 4104 is right. Well done. So first of all, with this, first thing you need to do is find 1/8. So you do 48 divided by 8 is 6. That's 1/8. So then 3/8 will be 3 lots of 6, which is 18. That's right. There's no need for you to do the whole thing like that. You just take the two unit numbers, 7/8, times them together, 56. 7/8 ends in a 6, so that whole sum will have to end in a 6. So you don't need to do all the work. Good girl. 8 and 25, but then you're timesing them. Okay, so 31 is wrong. 200 is what we're looking for. So you're going to get one of the 2 marks there. That's wrong, and you're only a little bit out. 2.63 is the actual answer, but because you haven't shown me any workings, I can't give you any credit, although it's only worth 1 mark anyway. So it's right or wrong. 3, 4, 8 for that page. Well done. Excellent. That's good. That's right. That's right. That's right. There's no need to cancel those down unless they're asking you to. You're probably safer off leaving them in their original form. 6 for that. Full marks for that page. And that's really good. Okay, 62 is correct. That's correct, but that's wrong. That's a straight line. So angles on a straight line add up to 180, not 360. So there you are going to get 2 out of 3. 70 and 175 positive, and 60 is all right. You're not going to get a mark for that because it needs to be a ruler. It needs to be a straight line, and clearly a straight line. Okay, so it's important that you use a ruler there. Total for the page 5, 9. No, you can't tell which was the first, because the order on the graph is to do with height and weight, nothing to do with when they were measured. That is excellent. Lots of people have struggled with that. That is correct. But 12 is wrong, and you haven't shown me what you're doing in order to find that bit. So I can't see what method you've used. I can't give you the credit. Have a look how I've done that on the video. 5 for the page. And then that is correct. That needs to have one there as well. That one's wrong. It should be there. And that one's wrong. It should be there. So you've only got one correct. So you get 1 mark for that. No, you don't have to have two sides that are the same length, but you do need to have the two smaller sides must add up to a number greater than the length of the larger side, otherwise they just won't meet. That's right, well done. Good. Right then, here, that's right with you. So you've got 8D take away 21D, and then unfortunately that needs to be there. So 8D take away 21D should be negative 3D, and then you should have negative 12 add 15, which comes to positive 3. So you've dealt with the brackets, you get 1 mark, but you haven't simplified it far enough. Then here you got 7e plus 12 equals 3e plus. Remember, you have to multiply that 3 by each of the terms that are inside. So that should be 3 times 6 is 18. So you've expanded the bracket wrong, and then you have dealt, no, that's completely wrong. So what you need to do then is take 3e off each side, and then take 12 off each side. Have a look how I've done that on the video clip. So total for the page 4, 6. Right, so 63 last time. Let's see what you get this time, Lauren. 17, 24, 32, 41, 49, 60, 69, 74, 80. Absolutely brilliant. Rock solid cast iron grade C. You really are motoring now, Lauren. I'm really impressed with that. Well done.